Here are 5 shocking revelations about the 2027 Chevrolet Colorado that nobody saw coming. General Motors is preparing to unleash what could be the most significant mid-cycle refresh in the truck's history, and the changes go far beyond what anyone expected. The first bombshell centers around power. The current Colorado TurboMax engine produces a solid 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque from its turbocharged 2.7-liter 4-cylinder, but credible insider sources are reporting something extraordinary. The 2027 model year could debut with an upgraded TurboMax, putting out 350 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque. That's a massive 40 horsepower jump that would suddenly make the Colorado competitive with Toyota's hybrid Tacoma system, producing 326 horsepower. This isn't just incremental improvement, it's a statement. GM appears to be responding directly to criticism that the Colorado was falling behind in the horsepower wars. The current engine already delivers best-in-class towing at 7,700 pounds, but with this potential power boost, the Colorado could maintain its towing crown while adding serious acceleration capabilities that rivals simply can't match. But power is just the beginning of this story. The timing of the 2027 Colorado reveals something even more intriguing about GM's strategy. Production of the 2026 model will end on October 16, 2026 at the Missouri plant, but here's where it gets interesting. That production cycle will last about 15 months instead of the standard 12. This extended timeline suggests GM is preparing something substantial for the 2027 refresh. Industry insiders are predicting the 2027 model could debut as early as January 2026, putting it on dealership lots nearly a full year ahead of its traditional schedule. This aggressive timeline shows GM believes they have something special worth rushing to market. The company has already demonstrated this strategy works when they shortened the 2025 model year to get the 2026s on lots in 2025, and now they're doing it again. The third revelation involves technology that most people don't even know exists in the Colorado. The ZR2 Bison variant uses dynamic suspension spool valve damper technology from Multimatic, the same company that supplies suspension components to Ferrari, Aston Martin, and Mercedes-AMG. This isn't marketing hyperbole. This is literally supercar-grade suspension technology in a mid-size pickup truck. The ZR2 Bison delivers performance numbers that put it in a category of its own, with 12.2 inches of ground clearance compared to 10.7 on the standard ZR2, plus a 38.2-degree approach angle and 26.9-degree breakover angle. It outperforms even the legendary Toyota TRD Pro in key measurements. And those 35-inch off-road tires, they're the largest in the class, since both the Ranger and Tacoma top out at 33 inches. Motor Trend put this capability to the test over 50,000 miles and declared the ZR2 the king of midsize off-road pickup trucks. That's not just opinion, that's the result of extensive real-world testing that proved the Colorado's off-road dominance. The fourth shock comes from an unlikely source, the United States Army. The Colorado's development includes military-grade engineering that most consumers never hear about. GM Defense partnered with U.S. Army TARDEC to develop the Colorado ZH 2-fuel cell electric truck, featuring low acoustical and heat signatures, plus onboard water production capabilities. The Army's current infantry squad vehicle is based heavily on the diesel ZR2, with 90% of components coming from commercial off-the-shelf Colorado parts. This military connection isn't just a marketing angle, it represents real-world validation of the truck's durability and capability under extreme conditions. When the military chooses your platform for specialized operations, that's the ultimate stress test certification. The fifth and most significant revelation involves market positioning and timing. The midsize truck segment grew by 10.2% recently, with trucks like the Tacoma leading the charge. Toyota sold 274,638 Tacomas last year, up more than 42%, while the Colorado maintained second place despite a sales decrease. But here's what's shocking. GM appears to be timing this major refresh to coincide with a fundamental shift in the truck market. As full-size pickup prices climb toward luxury car territory, more buyers are discovering that mid-size trucks like the Colorado offer 90% of the capability at significantly lower prices. The 2027 Colorado is expected to start around $32,000 to $35,000, making it accessible to buyers who might otherwise be priced out of the truck market entirely. The refresh details we're hearing about go beyond typical mid-cycle updates. Sources familiar with the matter report a completely revised front fascia, redesigned headlights, fresh bumpers, new grille treatment, updated wheel designs, and new taillight graphics. Inside, expect a new steering wheel and potentially a larger central touchscreen to complement the already impressive 11.3-inch display that currently leads the class. But the real story isn't just what's changing, it's what's already exceptional that most people don't realize. The current Colorado offers 10 different camera views, including underbody perspectives that help with off-road navigation. The technology package includes Google built-in compatibility, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot capability, and comprehensive safety features like pedestrian pedestrian and cyclist detection, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring as standard equipment. The Colorado's success story extends far beyond American borders. Since its 2004 debut, nearly 2 million units have been sold globally, making it one of GM's most successful truck platforms. The current third-generation model, which launched in July 2022, represents a complete reimagining of what a midsize truck can be, and the 2027 refresh appears poised to push those boundaries even further. What makes this truly shocking is how GM has managed to pack premium features into an accessible package. The ZR2 Bison starts at $64,295, which sounds expensive until you realize you're getting military-grade durability, supercar suspension technology, best-in-class capability, and styling that makes other trucks look ordinary. As MotorWeek noted, you could easily spend much more on a pickup truck that's nowhere near as adept or tough looking. The maintenance story adds another layer to the Colorado's appeal. Long-term testing revealed annual costs of just $867, putting it virtually even with the Ford Ranger at $810. When reliability and capability come together with reasonable ownership costs, that's a combination that's hard to ignore. Looking ahead, the 2027 Colorado represents more than just another model year. It's GM's statement about the future of midsize trucks. With potential power increases, advanced technology, military-proven durability, and pricing that remains accessible, the Colorado is positioning itself not just to compete, but to redefine what buyers should expect from this segment. The summer 2026 launch timeline means we won't have to wait long to see if these predictions prove accurate. But based on GM's aggressive production scheduling, the substantial engineering investment, and the competitive pressure from Toyota's surging Tacoma sales, everything points toward the 2027 Colorado being the most significant truck refresh in recent memory. For buyers considering their options in the midsize truck market, the 2027 Colorado appears ready to deliver capabilities and value that will shock everybody, including the competition.